Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna unbox Poco M7 5G. So friends, before we start it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, here is the mobile phone. This is the mobile phone, and let's see under the box. Here is the manual guides. Okay friends, as you can see, and this is the SIM ejector, and here the cable wire. Okay, this is the 33-watt. Here, as you can see, designed by Xiaomi. Okay friends, so I give all the box outside, and now let's check the mobile phone. I have ordered this light blue in color. So friends, let's check it out, its specification and feature. At first, let's look it out the ports and buttons. Here is the power button, and this is the volume up and down button. Okay friends, and while we are looking out the ports and buttons, let's switch on the mobile phone. And here on this side is this is the mic. Here is the to insert your charger, and this is the speaker. Okay guys, and in this side there is the to insert your SIM card. If you want to know whether there is the dual SIM card or not, then I can show you. Let's check it out. Just put in, and here it is out. There is dual SIM card, even you can insert your memory card. Okay friends, so let's put it again. And on this output there is the to insert your earphone, and here is the friends the camera. As you can see, there is the here 3 camera, and it's AI 50 megapixel camera. Okay, as you can check it out here. And the about the phone weight, I think it's in here. As you can see, it's 1.6 weight. It means it head is 0.851 kg, and body is 764 weight. Okay, and now let's turn on our mobile phone. So friends, this is the face of this Poco M7 5G. Okay, I think this phone, it says you have to insert the SIM card. Without SIM card you can't play, because I have ordered this Airtel exclusive. Okay, that's why you have to insert the SIM card, then only you can use the mobile phone. So friends, as you can see, I have inserted the SIM card, and after inserting the SIM card you can use your mobile phone. So now let's check this mobile phone features. Friends, I want to tell you that this mobile phone display is 17.47 centimeter. You can say 6.88 mm, and about the refresh rate is 120 Hz refresh rate. And if you want to know about the storage and RAM, then you can move on to setting, and you can click on here the about phone. From here the about phone, and you can check it from here the storage and RAM. Okay, under the about phone. Okay friends, there is two variants, and I have buy this 128 GB of ROM and 8 GB of RAM. Okay, so now let's check its camera features. And if you want to know about the fingerprint, then it's side mounted fingerprint, and this mobile phone is IP52 water resisting. So now let's check the camera. Okay, oh, camera. So here is the camera. So let's capture some photos. Under the camera you will get this time-lapse video, photo, portrait, night, and 50 megapixels as it's written on the backward. Okay friends, let's try on the 50 megapixel. So here is the 50 megapixel. Okay friends, and friends, this photo look very much clear and it's perfect. So it's because it's about the 50 megapixels, that's why. And you can even get this filter 1x and this whatever in another devices, the same thing. Okay, and now if you want to know about the charger, then I have told you that it's 33-watt charger in the box, and the processor is Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 5G processor power, and it's very powerful. So now let's check even the quality of the this video. Okay friends, I'm just trying to play some 4K video so that you can look it out. So let's play some 4K video. And friends, when I'm playing this 4K video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so the network, it's not working, that's why it's a little bit slower. So now let's play another 4K video. You can even play another 4K video. Here I have played some another 4K video, and let's make it a little bit bigger. So this is 8K. Okay, and here the device, you can zoom in like this, and you can zoom in out, you can zoom in till here. This is the grasshopper, and the video quality is good. You can even check under the setting the quality, and from here the advanced, you can say resolution. Okay, quality for the current video, and it's 1440p60. so friends, hope you understand it. And if you want to look at out more videos, then you can watch it out. I can even show you the sound test. I can test the sound quality. Here's the sound and vibration. From here I can increase the volume. So here is the ringtone. Got it? This is the online ringtones. Okay, you can even set the offline ringtones. Let's play. We just need to test sound, so you can play any of the sounds. Okay. So friends, as you can hear out, the sound quality is good. And I would like to tell you that I have ordered this ocean blue color mobile phone, and it's 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of RAM. There is 8 GB of RAM also. If you want to buy it, there is the 2 variant. Okay guys, and this phone is the Xiaomi Hyper OS. It's written on the box, as you can check it out here. Okay, even in the back of the box you can look the specification and features of this mobile phone. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.